Next program, write a Python program for swapping of two numbers. Swapping of two numbers. It is very important. So many times it was used for in projects also. Two numbers. Swapping of two numbers. That means I need to take a 2 to 3 variables like this, A and B. If I take, so A is 22 and 33 if I entered, A is 22 and B is 33 I entered, then this value come here and this value will come here. This is the swapping of two numbers program. Hello, Vinesh, you can do swapping of two numbers. You are, yes, using the third variable as well as directly also you can do. Please see the program. I have to ask the end user to enter two numbers. Right now directly I will use here uh, A equals to B. Yeah, you can write, yes, you can write, but what happened in int of input I am taking, let me see what happened, input, and using third variable I tell first enter any number, otherwise enter A or enter any number, okay, for A. And similarly I will take the second statement, to store the B value. B equals to int of input. Now after before swapping I have to print. I will use double quotation before swapping A equals to 0th argument and B equals to first argument. That means dot format you have to use for A and B values, printing first A comma B. Next is after swapping, yes, but meanwhile you need a logic. I will take a third variable. And from P or C any variable. Okay, P or C any variable you can put. I ascend equals to 0. That means it is refers to integer. Now what is that? T equals to A. Sorry, T equals to A equals to B, and B equals to T. This is the logic I have to write, and after swapping once again I need to print the values. After swapping I need to print the values. After swapping, okay, so let me, what happens, save as, yes, swap, next save it. Now what happens, let me take a pen and explain you. A and B values, I have the A memory and I also having the B memory. I have two memories, A and B. If you entered any number in A, for example A is 22 and I entered the second number B is 33. Now what happened, take T is the third variable. t is the third variable, and t stores 0. Now what happened? Before swapping, a value will be printed here and b value will printed here, 0th and 1 ornament. So that is 22 and 33 in the output. Next, what is the step? T equals to a. That means t equals to a. A value will stored in t. That means what is the value? 22. That means 0 gone, 22 comes. Next statement, a equals to b. So a equals to b. That means b is assigned to a. A is already consisting of some value, but we are assigning the b 33 to a. B value is 33. We are assigning to the left side. Always you have to assign to left side. B value is 33. 33 is going to assign to a. That means 22 will gone and 33 will come in a. Next, b equals to t. That means b equals to t. T whatever value t is the 22. 22 value will come here. 33 will gone and 22 will come here. This is using a third variable actually. This is using third variable. So let me execute the program. Run F5. Now it is going to write enter any number for a. 34 I am entering and 56 for b. Before swapping, a is 34 and b is 56. After swapping, a is 56 and b is 34. Okay, you got it? You got it? Then without using third variable, I want without using third variable. Without using third variable means no need of in so many interviews. Swapping of two numbers without using third variable, third var. Okay. Now I have to remove this and I have to remove this logic. What is the logic I have to provide? A equals to b and b equals to a. You are telling like this. So what happens here? I will take a pen and analyze the program. A and b. If you enter any number in a, the a value for example 22. If you enter any value in b, b value is 33. Now what happened is, before swapping, a is 22, b is 33. Now b is assigned to a. That means b value is going to assign to a. That means a becomes 33. Now a equals to b. What is the a value? 33. 33 is going to copy to b. B is already 33. Once again 33 is going to override. So a and b both are 33. Before swapping it is 22 33. After swapping it is 33 33. So that is not right. So what we have to write is the code is using any arithmetic operators. Yes, a equals to a plus b, b equals to a minus b, and a. Yes, that's it. Then the logic will works because of if you analyze the program, a and b, once again I will write a memory and b memory. Okay, first is a plus b. For example, if I entered a is 22 and b is 33. Now 22 and 33 will be displayed before swapping. A equals to A plus B, that means A plus B operation will be done and stored in A. What is A plus B? 22 plus 33, 55. That means 22 will gone, 55 will come in A's memory. Okay, next B minus B. Then what happened? 55 minus 33. 55 minus 33. 22. 55 minus 33 is 22. 22 is assigned to whom? B. B value will become 22 and A is 55 right now. Now once I given as B. 22. Sorry. This is what is the previous value? A minus B. 55 minus 33 is 22. Previous values. This is 22. This is A minus B means 55 minus 22 is 33. That means it becomes 33. Okay, so after swapping it will be printed like this. So let me once again I will execute the program. Save as, I will go for save as swap t without 3. Save it. Run the F5 module. Enter any number, for example 22 and 33. Before swapping it is 22 33, after swapping it is 33 22. Yes, right answer. Now let me go for other things. Okay, this is about the swap test. These all are very basic programs for writing the very basics, that is how to calculate the programs, taking and accepting and calculate the programs. Some other things one is having doubt. Tell me. No. Okay. This is the swap test, and using third variable, without using third variable, I explained about how to store a name and display the name, or how to sum of calculating the sum of two numbers, and how to find the area of a circle. Similarly, you can take any mathematical program and execute the program if you know the operators. The operators are arithmetic operators, arithmetic assignment operators, logical operators, relational operators, bitwise operators are there. So I will, if once again I will brush up the concept. Aishwarya, how to join? I explained other program also. Once again I am explaining. So because of you people only. Okay. Once again I will brush